The S-Miles Cloud app is a smart PV monitoring and management platform developed by Hoymiles specifically for installers of distributed PV power plants. Users can easily access the S-Miles Cloud platform on mobile devices. The platform features a complete data display and visualized layouts of PV modules. Installers can set up new accounts quickly and access power production data of each PV module, as well as detailed alarm information regarding commissioning and diagnosis. In this video, you will learn how to create plants and check data on the app. Before we start, let's take a look at how S-Miles Cloud account system works. We have three types of accounts: distributor account, installer account, and owner account. Distributor account can be obtained from Hoymiles. You can send an email to our technical support center to get one. Installer account is set up by the distributor. If you are the end user, please contact your distributor or installer who sells the product to you for an owner account. Type in the username and password. Click Login, and you will be directed to the Plants page. Click Plus on the upper right and start building your plant. First, you need to fill in the name of your plant and other basic information. Please avoid duplicate plant names. Then select the plant type and enter the capacity of your system. Please note that the plant type cannot be changed once it is created, so please select one that suits your installation situation and the installed capacity. If you have multiple arrays, please select the large commercial plant. Next, select your time zone. Please make sure you select the right time zone, because a wrong one will affect the display of your daily power generation. Then select the location of your plant. You will be automatically located on the map when you give the permission. You can drag and zoom in the map to locate the plant or type in the detailed address. Make sure the information is correct. Then choose your region. You can upload a picture of your plant if you want to add the cover. If everything is all right, click Next and move on to the next step. Click Add Owner and fill in the owner information. Then click Save to complete the owner account creation. You can also select an existing owner or delete the account. Then click Next to start adding your devices and setting the layout. Click Add DTU and add the DTU serial number. The serial number can be entered manually or added by scanning the QR code. Then click Add Micro and fill in the serial number of your microinverter. You can find the DTU and microinverter serial number from the label attached to them. Click Add Micro again if you want to add more microinverters. Then click Finish to move on. Please note that if you want to add more microinverters under the same DTU, just click Edit below. If you want to add more DTU, you should click Add DTU and fill in the information needed. Click Next to complete this step. Then we can move on to lay out your plant. You can change the array name, fill in the azimuth and inclination of your modules, and then select the layout pattern. Click Save and enter the PV module layout interface. Adjust your modules according to the actual installation and click Next when the layout is complete. Upload the installation map of the power plant, or you can also directly click Next to start more settings of the power station. Finally, you can decide whether to enable the export management or power balance config. Fill in the remaining information about the plant and click Finish. Now, your power plant is set up and activated. You can see the general status on the overview page and click individual plants to view details. The first tab at the bottom displays the plant data, including the capacity and power of the plant. The second tab presents the curve of the plant level power generation data. The day and week options display the power. The month, year, and total options display the power output. The third tab is for PV module layout. You can view the arrangement of your PV modules and their power. Click each module to see more details. The last tab displays the basic information of the plant, including construction details, device information, and remote control. Return to the home page and click the Tool button in the middle. At the bottom, you can see the aggregate energy data of all plants under this account. Once your phone is connected to the DTU, you can enter the toolkit to view the real-time data of the microinverters. You can also configure the DTU network on the O&M page. That's all for today. If you want to know about the plant creation on the web portal, you can check the link in the video note to see our previous video.